Hey guys, it's Thomas Einstein here, and today we are going to be doing the Baby's First Sounds comparison for its 15th birthday today. So, happy birthday, Baby's First Sounds. I cannot believe this video has turned 15 years old. Yeah, it's been 15 years since this B video has been released in 2008. Yeah, how exciting. And right now, I'm literally doing the comparison for its 15th birthday. So, what we have here is the Baby's First Sounds stuff for the comparison. Yeah, I mean, we have DVDs and puppets, and I don't have toys, unfortunately, from this video. But it's okay. At least I have this for now. Okay, first thing we're gonna review is the Baby's First Sounds 2008 DVD. Discoveries for Little Ears. Here's the front. Let's call out how this has the Baby Einstein DVD what am I trying to say? Guaranteed. Yeah, I said it right. Yeah, that's interesting, I guess. Here's the front. Here's the back. And here's the side. Here's the disc and the parent's guide. Yeah, here's the back. Okay, here's the disc inside 26 disc collection. There's the disc. Now for the puppets. First up, we have McDonald the Cow Puppet by Kids 2. Well, this one right here is Betsy / Cud the Cow. It's the version of I have, and this is a Kids 2 one. But in Baby's First Sounds, it's the Baby McDonald version. But I'm like, I always never really got why they used the version of him from Baby McDonald in this BE video. I always thought they could have used the version of him from Baby Beethoven or something. And yeah, that's what I was like when I first watched this video as a kid, really. But I don't mind them using the one from Baby McDonald, but yeah, here's the tag. Okay. Next up, I want to review this Nathan the Horse Puppet by Kids 2. Yeah, you see this puppet eating cookies with B. Yeah, that's pretty fun. Okay, here is the tag. It was blurry for a second. Okay, there's the tag. Alright, here's Kids 2 Jane. Even though in Baby's First Sounds, it's Da Vinci the monkey, but I still brought Jane in the comparison because I mean, this one kind of looks like the Da Vinci the monkey puppet, except this one doesn't have hair. like on its head. Yeah. It has something in his mouth. Well, this puppet's Jane, so yeah, her mouth. Yeah. All right. Okay. Here's the tag. Okay. Now, I'm gonna review this. Kids 2. Yeah, this is actually made by Kids 2. Yeah, it's Bard the Dragon. This is like a washcloth towel puppet. Oh, great. This one also has something in his mouth. I'm trying to get it out. Okay, here he is. Yeah, it's pretty good, I guess. Yeah, you can also control his arms. But you can't control his mouth at the same time. Okay. Here's the tag. See, it's made by Kids 2. Yeah, and the last Kids 2 puppet I have is Bard. Again, but in his regular form. Yeah. Yeah. This puppet is so amazing. No, it's not. It's Kids 2. Kids 2 puppets are never amazing. Okay. Here's the tag. Yeah. Okay. Now for the pre-Disney ones, which are obviously the ones that beat Kids 2. Yeah. Okay. McDonald the cow puppet in pre-Disney form. Yeah, not only this is named McDonald the cow, it's also Betsy and Cud, which you should all know by now. Here is the tag inside. Yeah. Alright, now pre-Disney Jane. Yeah, like I said, in Baby's First Sounds, it's Da Vinci the monkey. But I have Jane, which is also a monkey. And here's the tag. Okay, and the last one, pre-Disney Bard. It's very unfortunate the fact that he doesn't say blah in this BE video. The only videos of Bard saying blah and are Baby Mozart, World Music, and World of Rhythm. Those are the only 3 BE videos of him saying, wait for it, blah. Yeah, that. Yeah, and you see this guy with Da Vinci and Baby's First Sounds and that Fun with Phenome's whatchamacallit bonus feature. Yeah, here's the tag. Yeah. Okay, that's it for this comparison of this super boring BE video. Yeah. Yes, as you can tell, I think this video is really stupid, in my opinion. I mean, It's basically a bee video that rips off tons and tons of stuff that that BE has ever done in the past. And yeah, it has tons of scenes that like get so repetitive, and yeah, it's just kind of dumb, but but I mean, I don't know what else to say about it. I just think this B video is underrated and not everyone's favorite. It's one of the worst ones. But yeah. And it's my second most hated B video of all time. Okay, I'm done. Okay, I'm done talking. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and see you later.